Hi everyone, on the latest update from Apple iOS, you have on the iOS 16.2 a new app called Freeform. And I'm going to tell you all about it, but first let's hit that like button, it really helps me out. So if you click on it, and important hereby is, it's only available if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 16.2. So as you can see, you can use this Freeform app for now basically everything. You can write stuff, draw stuff. If you go to here, just pick a pencil and you can to do or let's say done. But you can also insert a file, insert a link, scan something, or add photos or even videos. As you can see here, photos, just click on it. I can adjust it. So done. And I can make it bigger, I can downsize it, I can tilt it. Also a note, I can double tap to do, don't forget. Typo, that doesn't mean anything, but you can do everything with this. The fun thing, you can synchronize it with your other Apple devices, so with your MacBook, with your iPad, and you can share it with others. Just click on this and you can hide the grids. It's all white. You can show the grids. When it's done, you can go back, and if you hold it, you can share it with someone else. You can duplicate it or rename it. And if you share it with someone else, you both can work on it. So as you can see here, there's a lot of options. I would say have fun with it and use it together. If you have any questions or want more of a tutorial, please let me know.